Good morning, you guys. So, this whole thing is just an experiment. I'm not sure I like the two dots under my eyes, and I'm wearing a very cool tone lipstick. I'm not sure how I feel about it, to be honest. But this is that story time video that I know some of you have been waiting for. So, going back to my video saying why I hate October, I did mention my house is moving. I did mention there was a whole situation with a clown. Now if you guys know me and you know me at all, you know that no, no ma'am, we are not doing clowns. Okay. Now, just to, my camera is moving. The hell? I'm genuinely freaked out now. I keep adjusting my camera, but it keeps moving. And you saw that, my hands were over here. That was creepy. Anyway, just so you know, my face and my chest match in person. I don't know why the foundation looks so yellow on camera, but it does, I guess. So, there it is. But it matches in person, so whatever. I'll be honest, I don't know where to start this video. I guess I have to go, let's go a few years back. And I mean, like almost 10 years. Jesus Christ, has it really been that long? So, I was walking with one of my exes. I'm not going to mention names in the video, but I was walking with one of my exes. I only have two, just so you know. Yeah. So I was walking with one of them. And if you guys don't know, I don't have peripheral vision. Like, I can see my hands in the camera. However, if I was to look for my hands, not on camera, I can't see it. So, imagine taking, the best way I can explain my vision is imagine taking toilet paper rolls and putting them up to your eyes, okay? It's called tunnel vision. Okay? So, my eyes are really bad. We don't know what's going on with them. We've been trying to get it fixed. We found an eye doctor who's willing to try to help me. However, I don't have the nerve to go in and do the testing that she wants. So, yeah. Fun. Anyway. So, knowing I don't have peripheral vision, my ex was pretty well guiding me around. We were going to a Spirit Halloween store, which at the time I didn't have a problem with. We were going to pick up special effects makeup, because October is the time that I like to restock on my makeup, my special effects makeup. So, this idiot comes up behind me, scares the cheese out of me. I'm holding my ex's hand. I literally shake his hand off, turn around, and punch the guy. I knock the guy out. Okay? When it comes to defending myself, I'm going to. Okay? I'm not scared to admit that either. I might be small, but don't fuck with me. Because you're gonna get messed up. Alright? This same ex, I've knocked out a handful of times. Okay? The best thing I'll say is he's drunk. Okay? So, you know who you are if you're watching, okay? He's drunk. So we would end up getting into fights and whatnot, and when it comes to protecting me, my family, and my dogs, I'm a very protective person. So with that being said, I turned around and I socked this guy. I didn't control my power, I didn't care, okay? You're gonna walk up behind me, scare the living hell out of me, you're gonna get it, okay? So, I knocked this clown that's now laying on the ground in a parking lot, okay? I turn around, I look at what it is, and there's this guy in, like, a murderous clown mask. I'm trying to keep it PG. So, ever since then, I have not been able to deal with clowns. Now, at the place where we used to live, down in Denver, there was a cardboard cutout of a clown at the office. Like, the rental office and whatnot. There was a cardboard cutout of a clown. And this was not so long ago. This was probably 5 years. Okay? My husband was there with me at the time. Okay? So, I saw the clown. Okay? It was right in the middle of my vision. I saw the clown. I turned around. I freaked. Okay? I ran right into my husband's chest. Now, I can't do clowns. I can't. Okay. The 2 times that I've had to leave my house, there was a clown on the side of the road, being stupid, mind you. There's a clown on the side of the road being stupid. Like, those sign flipping things. Yeah, there was a clown, and then there was Jack Skellington one. Well, I had to go to Walgreens to pick some more Tylenol up. Alright, so we go to Walgreens. I have something called OTC benefits, over-the-counter benefits. Okay. Now, my husband and my service dog were both there. I look up to see where the allergy medicine was. I was looking for allergy medicine because I'm allergic to latex and anything that flies and stings. Still, like, fresh in my memory. So, and fair warning, there's going to be a couple cuss words coming up here pretty shortly, so if you don't want to hear cuss words, exit out this video, okay? Because I'm just going to be honest about this, and I'm shaking. Just going to be honest about this in what happened. So my husband was there, Mufasa, my service dog was there, okay? Which, I have some information on that too, so stay tuned. I'll tell you at the end of the video. I look up to see where the allergy medicine was, okay? I look up and I look over and I see a clown mask. Now, it's that, like, I don't even know how to word it. I want to call it plastic? Is it plastic? It wasn't like a solid, like plastic mask with the thing around it. It was one that you pulled over your head, but it had the red stringy-ish out here, okay? I go, F that, F that, F that, okay? Pointing at it and all. My husband looks up and he goes, oh shit. And throws it to the other side, knowing that I didn't have to go over there again. I'm like, F that, F that, F that. I literally turn around and try to book it out of the store. I was done. I didn't want, no. No, ma'am. I'm not doing this. So, my neighbor, she's the one who took me to go and get this today. I should say this morning. And I'm filming this at almost 4 a.m. Seems to be filming times. 4 a.m. But I was like, okay. So I asked her. So I have my friend and then his mom, which she took me to the store. She also knows that I don't like trucks. No, different story again. But to get me there, I was like, okay, you want me to go in your truck? She let me pick the music, and she let me bring Mufasa. She knows I won't go anywhere without that. Okay? So I get in her truck. Mind you, her truck is very tall. So I'm like, okay, Mufasa, load up. He gets it one fell swoop, you know? Cool. Me, on the other hand, I'm over here struggling trying to get in. But, so there's that. And I told her, before we left, I specifically told her, I'm like, okay, did your son tell you about the whole thing with clowns? Okay. And she's like, no, why? I'm like, just an FYI, I'm terrified of clowns. She goes, really? I'm like, yeah. So, there's that. She was asking me what started the whole thing with Oz. I'm like, oh, I just punched out a guy, I KO'd a guy that walked up behind me, and ever since then I haven't been able to deal with it. Which is fine, you know? But she's like, and when I told her about the cardboard cutout, she goes, you do realize you could have just gone, like, blow at it, right? It'll fall over. I'd be like, that's for sure. He's laughing. I'm like, that's a very good point. Huh? I was like, that's a very good point. She's like, you know, even if there is a clown mask, if it's on the bottom shelf, you just go and kick it, right? So she kicks this, like, stuffed animal thing. I'm trying to teach Mufasa to pick stuff off the floor for me. He's learning how to open doors and open drawers, and then pick stuff up for me. So, we're working on that. So I tried to have him, I was like, get it, buddy, get it. And he put his nose on it, click, treat, good. Great, you know? Whatever. But because he's still learning it, I got down and I picked it up because I just wanted to get the hell out of there, you know? But there's the whole situation with clowns. Now, the thing with the trucks. My husband's truck, the rear end started going out, making a god-awful noise, and ever since then, nope. I'm terrified that every other truck is gonna do that. So, that's what that whole thing is about. Now, I wanted to mention, I see you subscribers. How you doing? Comment down below. Let me know who you are. If you guys have a channel, really? Satan's back. If you guys have a channel, let me know. I'll subscribe back to you. I'm one of those people who's like, you help me out, I'll help you out type deal. So, comment down below. Let me know if you guys have a channel. Let me know who you are. Where are you guys from? Am I talking around the world? Am I based in Colorado? I don't know. I'm genuinely curious to find out. The other thing I said in my previous video, I believe, was I wanted to do, like, personal phone calls to you guys. Comment down below, leave, I think it happens on Snapchat. Like I said, I'm not a tech-savvy person, so I do apologize. Comment down below, leave your Snapchat and your Instagram name, and I'll follow you guys back. Okay? I'm actually pretty excited about that. Ladies. Men. Children? I don't know who's watching. People. My people. Can you tell me what you think about this whole dealio going on top of the head? My eye was watering over here, and I just kind of wiped it away, so that's what that is. But if you can, let me know what you guys think about this. Not so sure about the lip, to be honest. It feels... Whoa. It feels very strange. It's like dry but sticky. It's weird. It's weird. Not a fan. Just so you guys can avoid this particular one, I'll tell you which one it is. By the way, can we just acknowledge the fact that the packaging is no good? That irritates me. But this is the NYX Liquid Suede, and I'm not bashing NYX by any means. NYX is one of my favorite brands, I'll be honest. However, this particular lipstick, no. I don't know if I can even use the rest of this. But this is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in, I think it's called Brooklyn Thorn, number 21. I don't know if that helps. My eyes are so bad that I can't. Like I said, packaging, just, like, it's like drying, but sticky. It's weird. Like I said, not my favorite, not by any means. But yeah, so there is a clown situation for you guys. Yeah. Keep it off my hand. So, if you guys are interested, let me know. Subscribers. I don't say it all the time. You like the content I put out? You like me? Give it a like. Give it a comment. Subscribe. If you do notice, though, when I film on my tablet, there's a description box. When I film on my phone, however, there is no description box. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day.